Do you want fix a Path of Exile to black screen? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in PlayStation 5, Xbox, and in PC. Okay, in PlayStation 5 we are going to the settings and go to the network, okay, check your network and go to the system and clear cache. If not work this, go to the game and uninstall and install the Path of Exile. Okay, the second, okay, go to the Xbox interface, okay, and go to the network settings and you check your network system, clear cache, and if not work, uninstall and install. Okay, in PC we are going to the Steam or your launcher and go to the library. Here in the library we are going to this section, okay, of your games and go to the Path of Exile, okay. Go to this icon, go to the properties, and here go to the inside files, go to the verify integrity of files, you click and you wait, okay. If not worth this, go to the launch options and you put this -dx12, okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.